Hey, what's going on everyone? Quick unboxing video here for you, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the black titanium phone, the 256 gig. So we're just gonna do a quick unboxing and show you guys the phone. Definitely feels a little bit lighter. So you get your Type-C cable now with this phone, and I think some stickers probably, kind of like the same old stuff there. I just measured this real quick. It's about 3 feet 2 inches of cable that you get. Yeah, so now you have this nice button here instead of a switch. So that'll be really nice. I'm really glad they did that. But it definitely feels lighter than the iPhone 14. All right, that's pretty much all I got for you guys. Just a quick unboxing video. That's all you get with the box now. And I gotta get this thing charged up and get it set up to do some videos. Check back on the channel. I'm gonna have some how-to videos with this phone. So that's it. Just a quick unboxing video of the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Have a good one.